So a couple of weeks ago, I had a problem with my toenail here, where you can see I kicked something and it cracked the toenail off all like way down here. And after 3 or 4 days, I could tell that it was ramming in, and I started to have pain there, and it was going to become an ingrown toenail. And I know from about 5 or 6 years ago, when I had an ingrown toenail, and I ignored it, and after 3 or 4 weeks, it was so bad I could barely walk. I was hobbling along. And so I went to a drugstore, and I was going to buy some pain medication. But lucky for me, a lady was there. She said, no, you do not want to treat the pain. You want to treat the cause of the pain. And I go, well, what do I get? How much is it going to cost? And she said, Witch Hazel, which is made from some kind of bush. But she said, put Witch Hazel on it, and what it'll do is it tightens the skin up and pulls it back. And so back then, 5 or 6 years ago, I said, okay, well, fine, I'll make a video about this. And my toe was so ugly, you do not want to even see it. I know this toe is not exactly pretty, so sorry for showing it to you. But I was going to show you that what I started off doing this time, and I got on it quick, is I just put my foot over the toilet, and I was just dumping the Witch Hazel on like that. And you know what? It worked pretty good, but I was moving through my bottle pretty quick. Even though it's very, very affordable, there's no sense wasting it. But just putting my foot over the toilet is one of the reasons I'm showing you my toilet there. But a better way to do it, probably just get the bottle and dump it on to like a folded up piece of toilet paper or something. And then you can just like dab it on like that. So you're not just wasting it. Dab it on like that. And I went ahead and did the rest of my toes too. And also, what you want to do is work this cuticle. Don't be aggressive about it. Don't screw it up. It's a long process. But this worked, and I no longer have pain on this. But so basically, I'm trying to get this little jabber right there to come up and grow outside the side of my skin. And I think it's working. But you want to slowly work that. So, anyway, Witch Hazel worked twice now for me. I would suggest you look it up yourself, check it out. I'm no doctor, but I'm only here to post videos about stuff that worked for me. So, anyway, I'm just going to show how I put it on to start with and dumped it over the toilet and then rinsed it off the bottom of my feet. And it worked, and it cured it again. Good luck to you.